Well, here it is, November 22nd of 2024, and I've shoehorned the 1949 Farmall H into my shop here. Been doing quite a bit of little jobs on the H. I went through and redid the front wheel bearings and seals, and had to make some special sleeves to press in that the seal rides on, as whoever had the tractor before me, they ran the seals on the hub itself, and it actually wore grooves in the cast iron hub. So had to set them up in the lathe, bore them out, and turn a new little sleeve to press in so that the seal now had a nice smooth surface to run on. And just been doing things, fixing grease fittings and getting things adjusted. I did purchase another set of the same aftermarket fenders that I put on my 1940 H. Have been real happy with the quality of them, and also got a set of the fender mounting brackets and spacers to mount those. So it's coming along. I've been doing a few other little odds and ends with wiring and stuff. I did add a hour meter to the tractor so that, you know, I can keep track of the hours on it for maintenance and that kind of stuff. Let's see, I did put a new left parking brake lever on, as the one that was on the tractor had all the teeth for the parking brake ground off for some reason. So not sure why somebody did that, but I got that all back now to where you can use the parking brake. You can see the teeth are on the little latch there. So, and here's the other fender, and you can see I got things pretty tight in here. I did do some adjusting on the hitch back here, the drawbar. Things weren't level and weren't tight, so I loosened things up and actually had some spare parts off my 1940 H that I swapped over to this 49 H, and put them on just to get things leveled up and back where they should be. So other than that, let's see, I did put a seat cover on it. This is this tractor's been running real well. Runs real good, and I am out of clutch adjustment on it, and I'm thinking of here in the near future splitting this and putting a new clutch and pressure plate in it, and that. I did pick up a belt pulley housing, and I rebuilt that with all new bearings and seals, and made a new bushing for the one shaft. It had worn out and actually took out most of the shaft, so I turned the shaft end and made a new custom bushing for it to ride in, and I'm going to be putting that on here eventually, and that. So that's where I'm at with the 1949 H, and sorry I haven't been doing more videos this year. It's been pretty busy, and some health issues going on, so we're trying to get back up to speed here. So hope you enjoy the video. Bye for now.